Hi, my name is Amber. I'm a master provider at Juvly Aesthetics, and today we are talking about Kybella. Kybella, or deoxycholic acid, is a naturally occurring molecule that's found in our body. What it does is it aids in the breakdown and absorption of fat, and when we inject Kybella, it will permanently destroy those fat cells. This will result in a noticeable reduction of submental fullness, or that fat that we often see underneath the chin. The typical treatment recommendation for Kybella is 6 total vials, and generally we'll divide that treatment into 2 to 3 visits, 6 to 8 weeks apart. The most common area that we treat with Kybella is the submental region, or the double chin. It has FDA indication for that area, but we can also treat other parts of the body off-label. So if you have stubborn pockets of fat, such as the bra fat area, sometimes people will even have little pockets above the knees, we can generally also treat those areas with Kybella. It is important to know that Kybella is not indicated for large body surface areas. Typically, it needs to be a distinct pocket of fat for you to get the best results possible. You may want to consider a combination treatment with both cool sculpting and Kybella. Generally, we'll recommend debulking the area first with cool sculpting and then going back and sculpting the area with Kybella. Full results with Kybella can be seen 90 days after you have completed the treatment course. The fat cells that have been treated are permanently destroyed and will never come back. However, I always like to caution clients that if you were to gain weight, any remaining fat cells do still have the potential to get larger. With Kybella, while there is a level of discomfort, the actual treatment itself is very quick. The injections typically take no longer than 5 minutes. After the injections, it is normal to experience a burning sensation. That burning sensation typically subsides about an hour after your injections, and then things to expect following that are a significant amount of swelling. We like to refer to it sometimes as kind of a bullfrog neck. You also may have redness in the area, tenderness in the area, and also a numbness sensation that can persist for up to 4 weeks after injections. Swelling is generally the most noticeable 2 weeks after your treatment. You may want to consider wearing a scarf or even a turtleneck during that 2-week period when swelling is the most significant. Things that you can do at home to help with the swelling would be keeping your head elevated at night, so maybe sleeping with an extra pillow. We also recommend avoiding exercise for the first 3 days after treatment. If you have discomfort, we recommend taking Tylenol, as that is preferred as it won't make your bruising worse. If you have any questions about Kybella, you can book a free Juvly consultation at juvly.com. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.